We're going to take a little time and do a guided visualization just to help bring the awareness and the energy and that sense of centering into a deeper place within the self. So let's take a few moments and really intentionally step into a quieter relationship with ourselves, a quieter space of awareness and attention to the breath. Let's just take the next few breaths with the attention on bringing our energy inside more and more, away from the mind, away from the busyness of the day. Just noticing the breath, noticing the body. Feel where the attention naturally goes. And as the breath naturally begins to calm and slow a little bit with the attention, just noticing where in the body you feel a sense of arriving, a sense of weightedness and presence. And taking these next few breaths, really keeping the awareness on the places in the body that it's most easy to arrive into, where it's most easy to feel the weight of the body. And breathing as if you can breathe directly to that part of the body. Allowing the breath to become slower. You may notice sounds around you. Just let them come and go in your attention. Allow the mind to observe the thought without following the thought. And if thinking happens, just as soon as you notice that, just letting it be, letting it go. Bringing the awareness back to the body and the breath. As you come intentionally into body awareness, you may notice areas in the body where there's a sense that's not as settled. Just be aware very briefly, but really letting it go also. So we don't allow the impressions to hold the mind. And just feeling almost as if the particles of the being, the particles of the inner self, are just settling. Almost like river water that's been shaken up and is now being left to stand, and everything is separating out, dropping down. And just feeling that quality of the energy in the body just settling down. And just noticing how that feels to come into a center of awareness in the body, especially compared to the busyness of our life and the way we usually move through our days. It's like coming home in a way to oneself. And that place of arriving with increasing authenticity to one's own self, not in relationship to the world, not in relationship to the roles that we play with our family or our work, but just being. Just being with oneself quietly, with the breath, intention, everything settling into a place of grounded, centering awareness. And becoming aware of stillness. Noticing the spaciousness of the inner self, that place in our core, in the heart of the being, and that is spacious and quiet. And feeling the world just dropping away from our awareness. Centering in stillness. Noticing how much more peaceful the body feels. And if there are areas in the body that don't feel relaxed, that still have tension, you could notice them, and no need to try to change anything. Just be aware. Centering in stillness, this awareness of the body, and bringing it into a place of calmness is a practice. Taking a moment just to have gratitude for the intention to become peaceful for a few moments during this day. To allow the body to become slow and intentional. To bring awareness to how it feels to be in the body in a place of centered stillness. And if you wish, just to bring gratitude from the heart through the whole body, or taking just a little time to practice being quiet, aware, present.